Well, welcome back. You've probably seen this salad dressing at the grocery store, but did you know Brianna's Fine Salad Dressing is made right here in Texas, folks? And it's not just for salads. Here were some other ways you can use it while cooking in the kitchen. Kristen Sexton with Brianna's Fine Salad Dressing. By the way, pay close attention because people can really win $1,000.
They can.
For submitting their recipes, and your recipe can't just be get some lettuce and dump the salad dressing on it, right?
No, it's got to be a recipe that's anything but a salad.
We are big fans of Brianna's at our house, and I think we've been using the product for about 20 years. My mom loves to use it on avocados and salmon, and when I told her you guys were coming on the show, she couldn't believe that you're from Brenham, Texas, right here in our backyard.
We are. Mm-hmm.
The company started in 1982 by your grandparents?
Actually, my aunt and uncle came up with the idea to create and market a salad dressing.
Is that your aunt and uncle right there?
No, that's my grandparents.
Okay.
They're the ones that supported them and really worked alongside them and got the business going. And we moved to Brenham, Texas, and that's our groundbreaking for the new facility in Brenham back in 2006.
Okay.
And that's my whole family there. There's my dad back in about the 92 era, and he's actually working on the line, and he just had great fun with it. He was actually our president and CEO for 25 years.
It's so great that it's a family affair, a family-owned company. And so when your aunt and uncle started the business, is it true that your grandfather would take a box of salad dressing and take it around trying to sell it to local markets?
He sure did. He was a salesman by trade anyway, and so he knew what he had to do, and he would just package it up and take it over to the stores and try to sell it, and people bought it. They loved it.
Well, it's pretty incredible to think about the growth that your company has experienced in just a few short decades, because now things are more automated. You're still using the best ingredients, right? But you have to be able to keep up with the demand because you're sold in grocery stores all over the United States, right?
We are, and all over the world.
All over the world now.
Mm-hmm.
So how do you make small batch salad dressing and still get the bottles that you need on the production line? We
still use premium ingredients. We still just use the best ingredients that we can get. We are still making in small batches by industry standards. And we've automated some of the line to help us be able to make more, but we're still using the traditional recipes and have a clean label.
That's so cool.
People love it.
But back in the day, is it true that you were manually like screwing the lids on the bottles and filling them and putting the labels on?
We sure were, yep.
That is so great. Well, let's talk about some of the different items that you have on set today. I see some deviled eggs and some hummus, but also a collection of some of your signature dressings here?
Yes, we have 19 flavors today. We started out with 3 flavors back in 1982, so we've grown that much. The last 5 years, or the last few years, we've come up with our 5 organic product line, added to the other 14 flavors that we have, so we have a total of 19 flavors. And to let you in on a little secret, we actually have some new flavors that are going to be coming out this year.
Oh, yeah?
So y'all can look for those.
Can you give us a hint?
Oh, I don't know.
Okay, you
might be spoiling something.
Wait, let's talk about this hummus, because you're using the vinaigrette to enhance the hummus or make it? How do you do that?
Yeah, you can make a simple, just quick recipe just by using some of our dressings to enhance other recipes. So that's just the store-bought hummus, the original flavor, and then you add the Italian vinaigrette dressing, and we topped it with the little Mediterranean mix that you can buy at the deli with the olives and feta cheese.
And feta cheese. Mm-hmm. Beautiful. Also, these deviled eggs, you use dressing to make these?
We did. We mixed the buttermilk ranch in with the egg yolk to make a deviled egg using our buttermilk ranch dressing.
Oh, wow. That is really, really good. Is this recipe on your website?
It is. All these recipes and more are on our website at briannas.com.
Okay, got it. And I think we posted them on our website, houstonlife.tv.
Right.
You've got a ginger mandarin Asian dip you're going to show us how to make. And if you don't mind, I'm going to continue nibbling on these deviled eggs.
We are. We're going to use our ginger mandarin dressing to create this simple dip with ingredients that you can just pick up at the store and just throw it together.
Okay.
So this is already cream cheese mixed with our ginger mandarin dressing. We just blended it together.
Okay.
And we're going to mix in chopped chicken. We bought the chicken from the deli.
Oh, okay.
And we're just going to mix that in
together. Could you use
together.
canned chicken if you wanted to?
Sure, you could.
Okay.
But the roasted chicken is really, I think, great because it's tender and gives it a good flavor.
Okay.
So you're just going to mix that in together. And then when you get that all mixed, you put it on a plate.
Oh, I see. So you've created sort of like a loaf
Yes.
here.
So we mixed it together and just plated it, and then we're just going to top it with these ingredients. We have chopped green onions.
Does it matter which order they go on it?
No.
How much should I be putting on?
However
Kristen?
much you think you like and whatever looks pretty.
Okay.
And then we have our shredded carrots.
Okay. Look at that.
And that brings a nice crunch and nice color too.
It's a nice little garnish for it as well.
And then we have chopped cilantro.
Oh, cilantro. I love cilantro.
I do too.
It's interesting. People either love it or hate it, right? I think most
true.
people love it though.
It's got really good health benefits too. And then we also have the little Chinese noodles and peanuts.
And some peanuts. Finish that off. So these recipes that you just demonstrated for us, Kristen, these are just some of the recipes you have available on your website. And essentially, we are asking the public to submit their recipes, right, using Brianna's salad dressing. So we want to see how you are using the dressing with our Anything But Salad contest. If you want to enter, it's very simple. You just upload a photo of the dish you made and the recipe to our website, HoustonLife.tv. One winner will be picked by a panel of Brianna's experts to receive a pretty cool prize package, including $1,000 in cash, a 2-night stay for 2 at Ann Street Inn in the heart of downtown Brenham, and meals at some local restaurants, plus an exclusive tour of the Brianna's manufacturing facility. And maybe the best part of all, a case of the Brianna's dressing of your choice every single month for an entire year. You can enter now through March 18th on our website. And remember, there is just one rule, right? Let's say it together. No salads.
Anything but salad.
Anything but salad. Okay, Kristen, thank you so much for stopping by.
Sure.
Thank you for lunch. And to learn more about Brianna's Fine Salad Dressing, follow their social pages or visit briannas.com. We'll be right back.